This video begins moments after a reported assault inside a public high school. Eyewitnesses told officers that the student struck a teacher, and the footage opens with staff and a school resource officer responding to that report. What unfolds is the visible portion of the arrest: verbal commands, physical restraint, and the student's detention. The legal question is whether the seizure, force, and procedure that follow remained within constitutional limits once the alleged assault had already occurred.
Let's go. Then you can come back and do whatever you have to do.
So what am I going down here for?
They're going to tell you. Thank you. It's a great decision.
What am I going down here for?
That's a great decision.
You're the dean's office.
All right, y'all. Oops, sorry. Let's go. Let's go.
You're the wrong person. Let's go.
I'm not. You keep with me. What am I going down here for?
He's
For
gonna tell you.
what? For what? Okay, for what?
They don't have to give you a reason.
For what? You do have to.
We will talk about it with you in the
Okay, for what?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Talk to me later.
You're oh.
Off me, Coco. I don't give a f. You know that.
All right. Well,
Okay.
Come on. Let's go.
All right.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's just go.
For what?
Where are you trying to get to?
For what? For what? What am I going for?
They're going to tell you
For
what
what,
you did.
Porter? For what?
They're
Since you want to
gonna tell
whisper in your headphones, for what? What am I going down here for? What am I going down here for? Huh? What am I going to the office for?
Why are you getting in his face?
Because he to me every day. He just did this shit yesterday. Yes. He's a bitch. Yes, he's a bitch. Yeah. Yes, he is. You are too, bitch. You are too, bitch. All y'all some bitches.
Go.
Okay, I'm going. I'm going.
Good.
I'm going. You see it, don't you? Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. What y'all finna do?
Well.
Because I'm getting arrested. Did you do that? All y'all. All y'all. All three of y'all. Bitches. Yeah.
Okay.
Press your baggage charge. I know you do that.
Okay.
Okay.
We appreciate you complying. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Let me do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, man, that hurts me. That hurts me so much. Oh, man. That hurts my feelings. Man.
I know. Know that shit y'all so, especially Porters. And especially if you don't authority on nobody, he mad as f. Can't have authority.
You're right.
Call my mom before y'all call her.
Okay.
Want to fuck me every day. Every day.
Let's
Just got
talk-
school.
let's
Just got
talk-
dropped off.
Let's talk.
He already, as soon as he seen me, start whispering the motherfucking
Okay,
headphones.
hey, if you
Okay,
come-
okay. You're not mad. I am. So you don't feel how I feel.
Okay, we'll come talk about it.
Okay. Hello? Hello? Okay, as soon as I get to school, the man's sitting around. Here you go. Going to office. I'm like, I'm going to take my picture. He's like, no, you're not doing that. So I get in the room to take my pictures. He called the police, everybody, because I'm trying to go in the office and take my picture. I'm like, you talking about go to the office? I'm like, for what? He like, I can't tell you, we don't have to give you a reason. I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to take my pictures. Like, what? And they mad, like, they got me in the office now for what? For what? I still don't have a reason. Why am I here?
If you
Why?
let us talk, we'll
Because I'm
talk.
going to take my pictures? For what? Okay, why?
You want to talk?
No, I've been wanting to talk to you in the hallway.
Go in that room and we'll
No.
tell you why.
No. So we just sitting in silence. Can I go take my pictures? Y'all just staying here.
You're not taking your pictures.
Well,
He told you that.
I'm not taking my pictures, I guess.
Do you want to search her back? She smells like...
Yeah, can my mama talk to one of y'all?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's do that. Hello.
We can't hear her. I can't hear her. What?
She said she want to talk to one of y'all.
Okay, we'll call her from the office because I can't hear her at all.
How can you not hear her? I can hear her.
I can't hear
You
her.
can hear her
at
perfectly.
all.
It's on speaker.
I can't. So she wants
So
to
you don't hear her saying, hi, sir, how are you? I hear her perfectly fine.
turn up the volume.
Stop lying.
Turn up the volume.
Talk. You hear her. Hello, Mom.
You need to relax. And you need
She
to get
said,
out of my
hello,
face.
how are you?
You need to get out of my face. Because I'm not playing. You need to back up. I'm going to give you one other option. And then I'm going to have to be forced to do something because you want to get in my face.
Do you not hear my mama talking to you or no?
I will call her from an office phone.
For what? She on the phone already.
That's okay. I will call her from an office phone. I'll let her know what's going on.
All right, what's going on? Let me know.
We'll talk to her in there. Like I
Okay,
told you.
tell me what's going on. Why am I here? Why?
Go in that
Okay,
office
why am I
and we
here?
will tell you what's going on.
No, y'all just want to mess with me every day. Y'all just
No. Don't touch
every
him.
day. This is mine.
Oh, she's not going to snatch that, is she? Okay, now you're done. Now you're done. Listen, Don't do that.
Bro, get off of me, okay? Get off of me, bro.
Don't do that.
Okay, don't do that. Get off of me, bro. Get off of me.
Keep your hands off.
Get off of me. You get your hands off of me, bro. Yes. Bro, get off of me. Okay, I'm stopping. Stop touching me, bro.
Stop resisting now.
Bro,
Stop resisting now.
get off of me.
No, you're done. You're
Okay, I
done.
can
You
be
put your
done.
hands on administrator. You are done.
Bro, Coco, cut it down.
Stop.
I'm not fucking resisting. Get the off of me, bro.
Okay.
You fucking pushing me and shit. I'm not
you're
resisting.
making
I'm
it worse.
sitting on the fucking bed.
You're making it worse.
Bro,
for
if I was
yourself.
resisting, I would be beating your ass right now. Get the off of me.
Get off the fucking table now. I'm done
You
with
just
you.
put me on the table, bitch.
I'm done with you.
Bro, get off of me. So I don't care. Call who you gotta call. I was on the floor with my
Can
mama.
you send it back if you just Pittsburgh High School? I got one juvenile.
Bro, do that.
Fighting.
Do that.
All right.
Do that.
You need to calm down.
I am calm.
All right.
I was calm.
I'm done.
I was calm.
Now
Be
you wanna
done.
put your
Be
hands-
done. I don't care. You put your hands on me. What's up? What's up? You want to put your hands on me? Now you want to press charges, bro.
No,
Get
you're
off of
done.
me. Okay, be done. I don't
You're done.
care.
Put your hands
Move,
behind your
Coco.
back.
I
Put your
don't give
hands
a
behind your
fuck.
back.
Get
Put your
off
hands
of me,
behind your
bro.
back.
Okay, hey, don't. Just let it happen. It's
Megan.
fine.
Right, let it happen. Let me sit down, bro. Stop.
Just turn around.
Damn.
Here, just turn
Can
around.
I breathe?
In the dean's office right now with
Call you gotta call, bro. Where's my phone? Where my mom on there?
Here.
What's your issue? Can I put my
Give me your hands.
Can I pick
Give
up
me-
my shit?
Yeah, I'll grab it for you.
Give me your hands.
Coco, get the f- out for me, bro.
You got your right. There we go. Come on. Take it. Hey,
Can
man.
you get off of me, please? Let me breathe.
You're not
Okay,
following
listen,
directions.
get the f- off of me, bro. Let me breathe. Damn, let me fucking breathe, bro. Get the f- off of me, Coco. I don't give a f- bro. Tase me. Get the f- off of me.
Enough.
Who the f- do you think you is?
Stop.
Get off of me, bro. Move.
Enough.
Let me breathe. Okay, let me breathe real quick. Get the f- off of me.
No. All right. Listen. I'm trying to help you, but you don't want to do it. You put your hands on administrator. I'm done. And now you're going to be taken into custody.
Yup.
So all you got to do is relax.
Yup.
You got too much.
Yup.
So you can either do this.
Get out my face.
I'm not moving.
All right, well, I'm calling.
You're not going to call your mom
Why?
because you're done.
Okay, I'm calling my mama.
Stop.
Bro, Coco, you're not even stronger than me, bitch. You pussy as fuck.
Please.
You're a pussy.
Trying not to
You're a
hurt you.
pussy. You're a pussy.
Okay.
You're a pussy.
Okay.
You're a pussy. Get the fuck off of me, bro. You're not stronger than me, bitch. Obviously.
Well,
Pussy as fuck. Keep pussy as fuck.
Yep.
You destroy all the stuff. Get the fuck off of me.
You're not following directions.
Okay.
Calm down.
go shoot your butt.
Come on.
Got lotion all over her.
Come on, let's go. Just get down.
Wow.
Yeah, well,
Wow.
come on.
There you go.
1 kilo 52. I have one in custody. Go ahead, take a seat.
I'm straight. I'm sitting down.
Take a seat now. I'm not asking
Ooh,
you.
Coco, boy.
Enough. Take a seat and stop resisting.
Ooh,
Chill
boy.
out.
Boy.
Hey, hold up. Hold up. Come on. Hey, just sit down.
Just sit. Relax.
I can't, bitch. I just,
I don't know.
Oh, it's lens adhesive.
you see the wheels?
You go back.
What is all
You yell it shake in here.
Well, I'm not in the mood. You asked for the shit. You see it on the table, don't you? Okay, then.
Okay, let's go to my office, please. And you can either do
Okay, I can walk.
All right, let's go.
Don't touch me.
Well, too bad. I'm escorting
okay.
you. I'm escorting
escort
you.
me, bitch.
Chill out.
Yeah, he better move because he know how to get, boy. Yeah, all right, boy.
Okay.
Hey, okay, let me go. I can walk. Bitch. Ooh.
No. You need to relax.
Move. I don't
Stop
need you to touch me, bitch.
resisting.
I don't need y'all to touch me. I can walk dolo. Move, bro.
Cheers.
You can't fit through the same door, dumb bitch. Move. Damn, okay, move. Man, girl, shut up.
Sit up. We're gonna go to this seat. I want her handcuffs behind her back.
Yeah.
Clearly, she was resisting and fighting. I could get them on their back, but I had to like get them on for front best way I could.
You don't have to hold my arm. I'm not going away.
No, I don't care, but you're fighting.
I'm not.
Okay, you are. It's for his safety.
Fight in a second ago, so yes, you are.
Okay.
You're not like a child, we're gonna treat you like a child. Okay?
Okay. Do that.
I will.
All right. Do that.
Listen, we don't want
You
to have
obviously
to
couldn't
do
fit through the same door though. That's common sense.
Stand up.
Obviously, you don't got it. Can I put my arm behind my back?
I will put it behind you.
Can I do
Do
it
not
like
grab
so?
my arm again.
Good.
Do not grab my arm again.
I'm putting my arm behind my back, girl.
You're gonna catch a resisting charge if you already have it.
I already
relax.
did, bitch, obviously.
Relax.
I was resisting. That's why you called y'all to.
Relax.
I am relaxed. Can you not go my arm? I already put it behind my back.
you can't.
I did that myself. Get the f off my neck, dude.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Relax.
Get off my neck, bro.
All right, she's double locked. All right, let's go and sit her down.
Go ahead.
Sit down.
Well, you're about to get searched, so don't shove me.
Okay, so you're gonna
catch
get
another-
obviously.
You're
Can
gonna
you
catch
get your fucking hair off of me, bro? I don't need you to touch me. Who the f called this? Like, fucking take her out of here. You wanna touch all on my neck and shit? Bitch, what's up?
All right, take a seat.
I don't have nothing. What are you searching? I have shorts and socks on. It's some inside.
Don't care.
Good.
Guess who's running the show? Not you.
Yep.
So chill out. You don't give a fuck. You know, talk yourself into an amount of trouble that you don't even want to be in.
Yep.
All right, so because you have been fighting, you're going to be put in this ground locking station. So if you want, you can scoot the chair up a little to make it more comfortable. Go ahead and sit back. All right, well, just sit there then. So you're now in custody, obviously, for battering on a school board employee, battering on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, and obviously the possession of marijuana and everything else that you have. So, and then obviously you guys that I think she resisted you. We can do resistance times 2 if we want, but hey, how are you? Good. You want to come with me? Hey, Miss Kennedy, you mind to use your office? All right, how you doing? All right, come on in. All right. So I'm Deputy Cook. I'm the school resource deputy, and Mr. Kennedy can kind of explain a little bit about what happened beforehand. If you,
I already did.
Okay, so he explained to you a little bit about what happened. I guess you walked past him. He had some discipline that he wanted to address. She wouldn't have it. I'm sure she was using profanity, refusing to comply with his order. Started yelling, and he called me. I overheard the yelling, at which point I responded. All right, she went into a classroom that was doing pictures. That was an active classroom too. They were doing their computer work, and she started yelling, refusing his orders and things of that nature. At which point we tried to escort her to the dean's office. So she's gonna get charges for all that. She is 18 years old. She does not go to juvenile court. She's gonna go to the branch jail. She's gonna get battered on a law enforcement officer. She's gonna get resisting a law enforcement officer with violence. And then she's going to get campus disruption. Okay, so that's 2 felonies and a misdemeanor. Yeah. I understand. We understand.
I think that the first time she got in trouble, I think she pushed her at 16 when she had a battery on her. Oh, she got to do better.
All right, so let's grab all your property. You tell me what you want to keep. I would suggest that everything go with your mom, so that way you don't have property to. Let me take that off. So go ahead and try to move to where I can try to help you get that off, because that can't go with you, and any other kind of jewelry would definitely be helpful. Okay, that's all her property. Okay, no problem. You don't need to apologize. You didn't do anything wrong. It was her.
I know.
It's no reflection on you. Okay. At this point, they're adults. They make their own decisions. And this is what happens. You make a wrong decision on that line, okay? So she needs to learn, just like you said. This is her opportunity. All right? This might help. All right? All right, so you've been searched. Go ahead and enter. Let me get that real quick. Okay, you all right? Watch yourself.
I was busting my.
You didn't. You caught it. Good job. All right. There you go. Here. Would you like the seatbelt on? Here, well, you
finna put it on?
Yeah, let me put it on. Here, go ahead and lean back. Good.
Under the Fourth Amendment, the responding officer had probable cause to detain and arrest if credible witnesses reported that the student assaulted a teacher. Multiple consistent statements from staff satisfy the totality of circumstances test under Illinois v. Gates. Accordingly, the initial seizure appears lawful at inception. Officers are permitted to rely on contemporaneous eyewitness reports when deciding to take a subject into custody, even without direct video of the offense. Once probable cause exists, the next inquiry is how the arrest was executed. Under Graham v. Connor, force must be objectively reasonable considering the severity of the offense, the immediate threat, and resistance level. Battery on a school employee is a serious offense, but by the time of the restraint, the threat had ended. The student was unarmed and surrounded by staff. If the officer's physical control was limited to stabilizing and handcuffing without undue pressure or extended force, the action was objectively reasonable. If the video shows prolonged restraint, neck compression, or pressure after compliance, the justification weakens and could constitute excessive force. The First Amendment does not shield physical conduct, but it does protect speech and expression. Profanity, anger, or insults toward officers are protected unless they escalate into threats or obstruction. If commands were escalated because of verbal defiance alone, that would implicate retaliation concerns under City of Houston v. Hill. If instead the officer's response tracked actual resistance, it remains within lawful authority. Custody was clear once the student was restrained and told she was done. There is no indication of interrogation in the video, so Miranda obligations did not arise. Officers appear to have used control commands rather than investigative questioning. Due process under the 14th Amendment requires that detainees be told the reason for arrest as soon as practicable. The video shows the student repeatedly asking, "For what?" with officers slow to respond. While that delay does not invalidate the arrest, it falls short of procedural clarity expected under Goss v. Lopez when law enforcement operates within a school. Charge vulnerability is low for the underlying battery count, given corroborated eyewitness accounts. Any secondary charges, resisting or obstruction, must rest on clear, independent acts visible in the footage. If the student's movements were instinctive or reactive rather than deliberate resistance, those charges may not hold. Policy and training standards reinforce these findings. Most school police agreements require de-escalation once control is achieved. If the video shows restraint ending promptly after handcuffing, the conduct aligns with accepted practice. If force persisted after compliance, it would breach both policy and constitutional proportionality. Taken together, the evidence supports that the arrest was legally justified based on eyewitness reports. The constitutional question centers not on why the arrest occurred, but how it was performed. The seizure meets Fourth Amendment standards if force ended once compliance was secured. Any continued physical pressure beyond that point risks crossing into excessive force territory. This video demonstrates the balance courts expect. Lawful authority exercised firmly, but within the boundaries of objective reasonableness and due process. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.